So what are the pros and cons of a garden window? A garden window, just to define that real quickly, is a box window. It's actually 4 windows in one. You have a window going out straight, you have a window going across flat, you have a window returning straight, and the top of it is a window at a grade or an angle so that when it rains, the water drains off rather than sits on top. And when it projects out like that, it gives you a shelf inside. The most common place you'll see garden windows in people's homes is usually above a kitchen sink. We do them in different rooms and things like that, but that's the most common. And so the benefit is it gives storage space. It comes with a shelf in it, and depending on the width, it's usually a glass shelf. If we go over a certain width, we have to go to a wire shelf, like a closet wire shelf, if you will. But you can have 2 levels of different stuff there. So knickknacks, collectibles, plants, you name it, whatever. And then on the garden window, the 2 side windows open for ventilation so that you can get cross ventilation through there and all that. But then the other big benefit is you know, if you're spending a lot of time at the kitchen sink preparing a meal, cleaning up afterwards or whatever, it just gives you space, something to look at, something, you know, you can, you know, mementos, pictures, whatever. It is more costly than a flat window, but it adds a lot to the value of the home, and there's a lot of people that certainly love them. And then we can convert a flat window to a garden window. You don't have to replace a garden window with a garden window. You can replace a double hung with a garden window. You can replace a garden window with a double hung. We can do any of that.